Hi friends, through this video we'll learn about queuing theory. Especially we'll learn when queue is formed and what is queuing theory, what are the basic characteristic of queuing theory, and what is queuing length of the queue and what is the length of the queuing system, and we'll learn about these things. When queue is formed, before going to know about this one, you are having a mini situation in your real life to make a queue. Example, while you are going for to meet a doctor as a patient, you have to wait for some time to get a service. And while going on a road, you have to wait for traffic signal. And for to get a ticket in ticket counters, the passengers are waiting in a queue. So these are the situation we are forming a queue. And when the queue is formed means if the service required by the customer is not immediately available. That is, the service provider is busy means so you have to wait for some time to get the service from the corresponding server. And what is queuing theory? What is queuing theory? It deals with the analysis of queues and queuing behavior is used to find the solution of the problem so that the effectiveness of the service function can be maximized if the arrival time of the customer and service time of the servers are given. What is the length of the queue and what is the length of the queuing system? Before going to know about this one, just you can look the picture what you have in the screen. In that picture, the one person it this picture representing it must be in the barber shop picture. It is in that is the one person getting service, that is the person number one getting service from the barber, and other persons are waiting in a queue to get the service in the barber shop. That is the person number two and the person number three, four, five, six. Totally six persons are there. If we are talking about the system, you can represent all the persons in the corresponding barber shop should be considered as system length. If you are talking about the system length must be the 6. And if you are talking about the queue and queue length, you have to consider the person who are waiting for to get a service. Yes, queue length in this corresponding diagram must be 5 because the 5 persons are waiting. The 5 persons, the person 1 and person 2 and person 3, person 4, person 5 are waiting for to get a service. One more person is getting service now, so that should be included means we can call that one as a system length. Yes. So the definition of length of the queue is the number of customer waiting to be serviced. It does not include the customers being serviced. And what must be the length of the queuing system means the number of customers waiting to be serviced plus the number of customers getting serviced. We are including the customers being serviced.